Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Payhip with PayPal for receiving payments. Start on the Payhip dashboard. Open your browser, head to the Payhip website, and once you're on your dashboard, you're ready to link a payment processor. On the top right corner of the page, look for the Account menu. It's the menu where you manage your store details. Click it to open your options, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to Payment Details. This is the page where Payhip lets you choose and manage how you get paid for sales. You'll see PayPal listed as one of the available methods. Find the PayPal section and click Connect. A small window or page will prompt you to enter the email associated with your PayPal account. Type the correct PayPal email you use for receiving funds. Double-check spelling here because this is how money will reach you. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them for this step so the PayPal window can appear. Next, click Connect and follow the on-screen instructions. Payhip will hand you off to PayPal's secure authorization flow. You may be asked to sign into PayPal, review what access you're granting, and confirm that you want to connect your PayPal account to Payhip. Complete any security verification that PayPal requests. When you approve the connection, PayPal will redirect you back to Payhip automatically. Back on Payhip, look for a confirmation that PayPal is connected. Typically, you'll see your PayPal email displayed and the status will indicate that the connection is active, often with an option to disconnect if needed. If you don't see the confirmation, refresh the page and check the payment details section again. A few quick tips to ensure a smooth setup. Make sure the PayPal email you entered is verified and able to receive payments. Keep your PayPal account in good standing and ensure it can accept the currencies you plan to sell in on Payhip. If you encounter an error during the handoff, try reconnecting after clearing your browser cache or switching to another modern browser. That's it. You've connected Payhip with PayPal, so your store can start receiving payments through a trusted and widely used gateway. Thanks for following along, and feel free to move on to adding products and publishing your store now that your payment method is in place. If anything doesn't connect, both Payhip and PayPal offer help articles for common issues. You can repeat the connection process anytime without affecting your existing products, listings, or customer data.